back to my channel. So this is going to be a very different video. It's all going to kind of happen in once for you guys, but this is going to be over the state of a couple of weeks for me that I'm going to be filming, so it's going to be quite strange. I'm basically redoing my bedroom. I've wanted to do this for so long now, and yeah, it's been a very long time. I've had this carpet for years. Like, I've had this carpet since I moved into this room, which I was about like 2 or something. And I've had my bed for quite a while and it's severely broken. I'm going to try to do as much as I can in like the process of like it happening, so like showing me painting and everything, so I'm going to do as much as I can with that. And yeah, it's going to be a long process, but I am so excited. You have absolutely no idea. I'm just going to show you my room now as it's starting. So I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you want to see my end bedroom result, make sure you stick around. As you walk into the door, this is the first view. My dog is currently chilling in a little hole that I just made because I had so much rubbish there that I could not have that on camera. So I've currently got the dog just chilling there. So this is a full view of the room as you come in. So it's not too bad, but it does need a lot of work for it. So over here you can see I've just got a couple of little stickers. This is my Harry Potter wall that I talk about all the time, which I absolutely love, and it's so cute. My room is like fully Harry Potter themed, but I've kind of just left it to a little wall now. And the back of my door is an absolute mess. I've got so much stuff. I've got like my lab coat, my overalls, my work uniform, a couple of onesies, my hoodies, so that will definitely be changing. And then you can just see my walls over here are like so, not necessarily like mucky or anything, it's just got so many holes in them and so many like marks on them from like hanging different things on them. But you can see over here my little fish tank. I need to get some like new lights and stuff for that. And I'm just going to give you like a quick little overview of my room. So this is what this wall looks like. I love these, but I think they're a little bit too cramped. I don't really like the way they are at the moment. So over here, just showing you a bit more on my walls. So you can see here, this is my bed, and it's okay, but it's definitely quite bland, and it's so broken, so I cannot wait to get a new one. I've already picked it out in IKEA. I just need to wait for the queues to settle down before I actually go and buy it. So you can see here all my DVDs and such, and this is my bedside table. I've had this for years as well, and the doors do not even shut. I've literally got a piece of paper underneath it just because the doors won't shut. That's like as close as they get. They'll just open up again. And I've got my dressing table over here, which is fairly new, so I'm not really doing anything with this. I'm pretty sure it's going to stay how it is. I'm just going to be painting the wall behind it, and I really do like it, but I could do with it being a little bit more organised, especially underneath, because I've just got a few boxes and things like that. And then my wardrobe over here, I've had this for quite a while too. I love how you can just see the dog look like he's dead in the corner. But I've had this wardrobe for a while, but I do really like it. It's really nice inside. I just thought I'd show you that underneath of my bed and how broken it actually is, because it's ridiculous. I've already taken one piece off because it was so dangerous, but I'm just going to show you it all now. The slats above me, I had to take that piece off because it was just falling off already. And underneath you can see here how this piece is like fully dislodged. If you see this piece here is like fully dislodged from in there where it should be, and that is snapped to there. And this bracket here is snapped as well. It's supposed to hold the bed in place. The same at the other side. And it is just a nightmare. The whole of the bottom of the bed's come out, and you can see it's not even connected to the wall at all. It's just ripped, and the metal is just ruined, and the bottom of the bed is literally just falling through again at this side. And you can see the back here is not connected like at all. That's just like goes straight through. The same at the other side, and look at literally the headboard. So I've just got some photos here of like the inside of my windows and other parts like my walls. The windows here look so gross. When they got them done, they looked so bad. They did such a bad job of it. So my mum has fixed all that up for me now. And then you can see on my walls all the holes that we've tried to fill and things like that, and all the dirty marks from things getting lent against the walls. So I just wanted to show you these as like little before pictures, so then at the end you can see the after of how amazing my walls looked at the end. Painted my windowsill, I've painted my radiators because they were literally yellow, and I've painted the skirting board down here. And as you can see, we've actually cut away some of the carpet just to expose the skirting board a little more so we could actually paint it. But this means I do definitely need to get a new carpet now, because my old carpet was absolutely like ruined. It was like so old, and the walls are like so, like they've got holes in them, they've got marks on them and scratches on them and paint, and yeah, it's not great. My wall's going to be painted here, and then these walls, my end ones of my windows are getting wallpapered. I've picked out the paint and I've picked out the wallpaper, so I'm super excited. So I've just actually put my mum's clothes on now because I don't have anything that I can't really get paint on. Yesterday I just wore this top that went like down to my knees, so that's fine, but it's way too cold for that today. I'm trying to find the best lighting. That's better. Yeah, over here's better. So yeah, basically we're going to start painting now. I'm just going to go get something to put the paint in, because there's obviously two of us now. So I'm actually quite excited to come on painting because it's actually looking so much better now. Look at how white that looked. This was literally yellow from the sun, like the sun staining it. Everything's looking so much nicer and so much cleaner. And yesterday we used some paint, but we couldn't find the other one. So when we used yesterday, it was like so difficult. It took us like 3 hours to do it. But today we've actually managed to find the good paint. So it's gonna be like so much quicker. And I'm just so excited. It's actually going so well. But yeah, I'm all up on my mum's clothes now. there's just some patchiness in it, so we're just kind of getting the white off and getting the purple on fully, and then we're going to be doing another coat later on. So we had the carpet fitted this morning, and this is what my room currently looks like. And it's really starting to get there now. I'm going to start hoovering the floor, get a couple of bits off the floor and move all this out of the way because I think my auntie's going to take this carpet, and then I'm going to start putting things back in my room, I think. So it's super exciting today. So we finally got a bed, and now we're unpackaging it, and it is so big. Like, I wanted a double, but like there's so much stuff, and like the base is so thick as well. So we're just gonna start like assembling this. I'm gonna try vlog as much as I can, like film as much as I can, but it's not gonna be the easiest thing ever. Plus I've got about 4 hours worth of footage already in my room, so I don't want to film too much. So my room is now complete. I don't want to do a full room tour or show you it all because I'm going to do like an actual room tour in a separate video soon, but I'm just going to give you a little glance and show you some bits. So these are my new curtains. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. They are so gorgeous. They go so well with my wallpaper. I've got my CD racks down here and DVD racks down here. My wardrobe is now back up and in place, and my fish tank looks absolutely amazing. My mum's done like a load of work on it and it looks so good. So I've been after a lot more storage lately, so I've got all the drawers underneath my bed, and then I've got these two cabinets that were in my room. They're now underneath here, which I think is so useful. It's underneath my dressing table, so I've got the drawers at the sides and then I've got the drawers underneath, so it's so helpful. So guys, that is all you're getting to see of my room for now. If you want to see more, make sure you check out my room tour.